Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna talk to you about my third doctor's appointment where they finally removed my staples and I was given a go signal to buy my boot. It's a very exciting video, so let's go.
So here I was waiting for my number to be called. I didn't need to wait that long because it was my turn after. Here the nurses were carefully taking off my cast. I already saw them do this the week before, but this was the first time I saw my foot up close like this. It looked scary. Then the nurses started taking off the staples. I didn't feel it hurting at first, but then after a few staples, I started sweating and I started feeling the pain. I had to stop the video because I couldn't deal with it anymore. And I had to swipe my sweat. I was sweating a lot this time. I also expected more blood than this, but I guess the wound have healed already. This was when they were taking the staples, the other side of the ankle. From this angle, we can also see the wound that I had from the day of the accident. We actually thought that my bone was sticking out from that wound, but eventually we ruled that out. The days after the surgery, this side of my ankle was hurting so much, and when I saw this wound, I realized that in fact it was this big wound that was hurting a lot. After they took off all the staples, they put betadine and dressed my wound again. And here you can see that they were carefully putting back the cast layers of these things. And this also explains why every time I was in the cast, I felt very comfortable because I saw how thick of this dressing they were making. So I was like, oh, that was the reason. The doctor came and told me that my next appointment will be 7 days after, where they will be cleaning my wound and will be checking how it's healing. So it will be the week after where they will also take off the cast and they will graduate me to boot, which is very exciting because it means that's progress from my accident. I would also like to shout out thank you to the nurses there because they're very nice even if we don't understand each other.
Having my staples taken was an experience. I didn't expect it to be painful, but it was. I think it wouldn't have been that much painful if it was not a lot of staples. But yeah, I don't know why they put a lot of staples. And my boot, I cannot wear it yet. I'm still wearing a cast, but in my next doctor's appointment, they will finally remove the cast and I will be able to use the boot. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!